What if running your own restaurant was this chaotic, but also super addictive? Today, I'm talking about Cooking Adventure, a popular web to cooking simulation game that lets you build, manage, and upgrade your own restaurant empire. And now, what is Cooking Adventure? Cooking Adventure is a mobile time management and restaurant simulation game. It's a Web 2 game, which means it's a traditional mobile game, no blockchain, no NFTs, just pure gameplay progression through levels, upgrades, and in-game currency. Your goal is simple: cook dishes, serve customers fast, earn coins, and expand your restaurants. The core gameplay is fast-paced and all about time management. Customers arrive with specific orders and you need to prepare ingredients, cook dishes, and serve them before their patience runs out. If you're too slow, customers leave and you lose potential coins. As you progress, levels get harder with more customers, more complex dishes, and tighter time limits. Ah. What makes the game addictive is its upgrade system. You can upgrade kitchen equipment to cook faster, increase food prices, or improve customer patience. You earn coins and sometimes gems, which are premium currency used for faster upgrades or special items. This progression system is classic Web 2 mobile game design: grind levels, upgrade equipment, unlock new restaurants. Unlike Web3 games, Cooking Adventure doesn't involve crypto, NFTs, or token rewards. It's fully centralized progression based and monetized through in-app purchases and ads. These make it accessible to everyone. You just download and play. If you enjoy fast-paced cooking games and time management challenges, Cooking Adventure is worth trying. It's not Web3, it's not play to earn, it's pure mobile grind, upgrade, unlock, repeat. This is Mabsy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.